Boom. All right, guys, what's going on? So this was a specific video for answering requests from people who were looking to figure out how to transfer Hero token from KuCoin into your wallet, like a Trust Wallet or MetaMask. This video is specifically going to be on KuCoin to MetaMask. And the reason being is that we want to be holding the Hero token on a wallet, not on a centralized exchange, if we're interested in getting into this Everdome pre-sale. And we can't sell any Hero, otherwise we get blacklisted out of the whitelist. We need to hold 10,000 Hero by December 10th, when that next snapshot will be taken, on a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, not a centralized exchange. And we'll be good to go to get a slot in Everdome. So let's get right into it. Step one. I have KuCoin, but I'd never bought any Hero on there. So I went ahead, I dropped in 30 bucks and I went and bought some Hero token. And then I messed around a little bit and looked up a few things and figured out how the steps go to do it onto MetaMask. So I'm going to show you what I did here. So let me make myself smaller. All right, so when you're on the KuCoin website and you go to markets, that's where you can go to buy and whatnot. I deposited money in there. I bought the trading pair of the USDT to Hero, and you can see it here in my trading account, Hero. I already tested this out, so I've already taken some of it, but I've got 88 Hero right now in here. First, I'm going to transfer this Hero into the main account. So I'll click transfer from trading account to main account. For this one, we're gonna go with 50 and confirm. Successful. So now when I go to my main account, you can see here I've got 55 Hero in my main account currently. Now what we need to do is withdraw this Hero into the MetaMask wallet. And what we need to do for that is I'll open up my MetaMask wallet. We can see here, I've got 6,393 Hero tokens, and I'm about to add 50. So once I do this, this is going to go to 6,433. 43. Math is hard. So I'm on the Binance Smart Chain network here on MetaMask. I'm going to copy my wallet address. All right, so we're going to withdraw 50 Hero token out of the KuCoin exchange and onto the MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to click withdraw. Now the wallet address, I copied that from the extension on my MetaMask in the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to paste that in here. And since it's the Binance Smart Chain, it is BSC BEP20 network. Click that. Like and subscribe. And the withdrawal amount, I'm going to, won't let me do more than, because of the 10 Hero fee. So the 10 Hero, because there's a 10 Hero fee, the most I can do is 45. So we're gonna have to get our math skills back out here in a second. Remarks, I'm gonna put test Hero 2. So 45 to this address. Let's pull open that address and just visually kind of confirm it again, because I like to do that. Instead of 6,000, okay, 6,393, and C ends in CB, 0x, that's right. And instead of 6,443, we're gonna have 6,438, right? All right. And click confirm. And it gives us this tamper-proofing confirmation. Click confirm withdrawal. Now I should get a text here in a second. And I got a text for my verification. It says you are now withdrawing 45 heroes. Code is valid for 10 minutes. Do not tell it to anyone. Well, you guys are probably gonna see this. And submit. Successful. Yay. Last time I tested this, I went for lunch and came back and the funds were in my MetaMask. So I'm not sure exactly how long it takes, maybe an hour to 2 hours, but I'll wait around here a second and we'll check and see how good our math was. And look at that, it actually didn't take that long. That took about 3 or 4 minutes. And it popped up right here, 6,438 hero. So that was a success. We got hero from KuCoin over to our MetaMask wallet. I hope walking through this helped you out and that you can get a part of this pre-sale. Was right in the process of transferring a bunch of BNB over so that I could buy the remainder of the hero I need to get to 10,000. I've got it already in BNB, good to go. But Binance.us, I did an update, and then my authorization is a 24-hour waiting period to reset up because of Google Authenticator. So frustrating with that type of stuff in crypto sometimes, how you can get held up with just security changes. I have to wait 24 hours now before I can buy the remainder of my hero. So, but yeah, hey, I hope this helps you out. And if it did, I really appreciate a subscribe, a like, and I'll keep bringing more content for you guys. Peace out.